Oh, have we got an exciting video for us today. A 1965 Factory 5 Cobra Shelby replica. This thing is amazing. Another incredible example. One of the best ones I've ever had. Meticulously built, one-owner car, just under 5,000 miles, although it looks brand new. Under the hood has a 427 stroker motor. It's got a 5-speed, independent suspension front and back. It's a 20th anniversary. They made 20 of them. This is number 4. Comes with $15,000 in extras on the 20th anniversary car. So let's get to it. Top is off. Let's go for a spin. And you can go to volocars.com, and that's where you can learn the prices on all of our cars. We have about 200 cars in inventory, and they'll each have a monthly payment as well. So anyway, the body is amazing. It's straight. It fits beautifully. Painted a fantastic color. It's a GM color, magnetic red metallic. It has pearl white stripes outlined with a black pinstripe on the outer edges. And the paint is stunning. It's just beautiful. There might be a little, that wipes right off. There's a little hairline scratch right there. I think I seen a nick here or there. Now there's some of that clear bra, like put on in the areas where you might pick up stone chips. Like right here on both rear quarter panels on the front of the car. Just an absolutely beautiful color. It's polished, smooth, and glossy. Yeah, the pearl white stripes, all beautiful. So it has the polished chrome roll bar. Part of the package, stainless steel polished pipes. Those aren't chrome, they're actual stainless steel. This car has mirrors on both sides, which really helps when you're backing up. It has the wing windows and the visors. Chrome windshield frame's beautiful. Glass is crystal clear. It has optional wipers. Up front, it has the bumperettes, and it has the chrome or stainless steel hoop bumper in the middle. Everything up here looks fantastic. The body work is excellent. It's not wavy. It's all straight. It fits real nice. It comes with the Halibrand wheels. I think they're 9 inches wide in front, 11 inches wide in back. BFG G-Force tires. They're 18-inch wheels. Pop-up gas cap, the aluminum gas cap. And you know what's really special about this car? This one actually has a convertible top. Does take a little bit of time, but that's what you see in those bags back there. Has a top and windows. It's not something you're just going to put on and off every time you go out, but if it's fall and you want to put the top on and leave it on and drive it for another 30 days before you put it away for the winter, it's perfect for that. But it also has a tonneau cover. They just put over the interior if you are out somewhere and it does start to rain or something like that. In back, it also has the optional stainless hoop bumper in the middle. So that's the outside. It's awesome. Got a lot more to show you. Now subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified when the new videos are posted. Trunk has a nice latch and hinge mechanism. There's a nice well area here, and you can see it's carpeted beautifully, very clean and tidy. There's a fire extinguisher just in case. As long as you have it, you know you'll never need it. If you want to be informed when new arrivals hit our website, text the number 844-592-2431. Type the word new, and you'll be notified as new inventory is posted to our website. So this is the deluxe interior package as part of the 20th anniversary. It has the upholstered door panels with the pocket. It has the upholstered dashboard. Something I'm going to show you that's really cool. Look at the gauges. 20th anniversary. And down here, MK4 004. The 004 is for this car specifically. This is car number 4. So each gauge says 004. I think that's cool that was all made for this car. It has a GPS speedometer. It has a quartz movement clock. and you're not going to believe it, it has heated seats, bun warmers. So in addition to that, it's fully carpeted, and underneath the carpet is sprayed with lizard skin. It's a sound deadener, and it keeps the heat down. 20th anniversary floor mats. So they only made 20 sets of those is for this car. Upgraded to leather upholstery. It's all genuine leather bucket seats, which has the Simpson seat harness. Once you buckle once, they're very simple to use and they hold you in place. It's got an e-brake, center console with cup holders. There's a 12-volt receptacle underneath here to charge your phone. There's a master kill switch. You can take it with you. All carpeted behind the seats. It has some nice pedals so your feet don't slip off. And then it has this beautiful steering wheel, aluminum spokes, nice polished wood rim. So it is a really nice interior, and it's immaculate. In this paper here, it's our 3-page inspection that's already been filled out in service, and then the last page will be filled out once the car is ready for delivery. We check them out a second time. So the motor is 351 Windsor. Bored and stroked to a 427. Runs on pump gas. It's 10 1/4 to 1 compression. It has a set of aluminum heads. It has a high-rise intake that looks like it's powder coated. A big polished dual feed Holley carburetor. It's got a set of headers. It has a Pertronix ignition system. This one even has power steering. You don't see that too often on a Cobra, power steering. You got 3 hydraulic reservoirs. You got front and rear brakes, and you got the clutch, hydraulic clutch, which we'll talk more about. Electric fan on the aluminum radiator. Dual struts holding the hood open. It's all painted underneath. Cobra valve covers and air cleaner. I think I mentioned already, it does have the wiper kit. Oh, and all the aluminum engine bay, that's all the aluminum panels. They're powder coated white. That's part of the anniversary edition. I guess that's how the original Shelbys were. So this one has a lot of little extras that you won't get on any other one. And this is really clean. So even underneath this car, you can tell it's meticulously built and still looks like brand new. So it has the 4-inch tubular frame rails, a lot like the original had. And this one has independent suspension front and back. That's part of the 20th anniversary package. And it has like a $2,200 upgraded Koni dual adjustable gas shock coilover setup, front and back. It has rack and pinion unisteer system up front. It's got the gas tank is mounted in the back. It's painted like a gloss color, gloss black. Oh, the chassis is powder coated gray. That's part of the package. It's like $900. The aluminum floors are sprayed with the lizard skin sound deadener. Upgraded with the Wilwood big disc brake. They're 13-inch drilled and slotted rotors, 6 piston calipers in the front. They say Wilwood. It has an e-brake system. You can see the little caliper for the e-brake. So that was another upgrade. I think it was over $2,000. It's part of this package. Has a 20th anniversary edition emblem on this side. He chose to put the 427 emblem on the other side. Again, this is number 4 out of 20. So underneath the car, Looks like new, and it has that really cool adjustable front and rear independent suspension. It has sway bars front and back. Again, stainless exhaust. This thing is really ready to rock and roll. Go to volocars.com. Salesman can help answer your questions, including how to get this delivered to your door, how to get it financed. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.